to like, share, and subscribe. Hello, cherished viewers. Greetings from Housethetic again. I'm excited to share with you today's video, which is full of warm wintertime ideas. You've come to the perfect spot if you want to turn your kitchen into a rustic retreat. I've selected 15 easy yet lovely decoration ideas to infuse your home with coziness and flair. Now, without further ado, let's get started with these ideas for rustic winter kitchen decor. Throws and blankets with texture. For an instant warming boost, start by covering your kitchen chairs with patterned shawls and blankets. To enhance the rustic atmosphere, go for earthy hues. Display of wooden utensils. To exhibit your kitchen necessities, go for a homemade wooden display or a wooden utensil holder. It gives everything a touch of rustic charm and keeps things handy. Centerpieces made with mason jars. Use mason jars packed with dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and pine cones to create pretty centerpieces. It's a simple method to provide a comforting scent to the kitchen. Kitchen linens with a vintage feel. Replace your standard kitchen linens with ones that have a vintage feel. Seek for patterns with rustic and warm color schemes to quickly improve the ambience of your kitchen. Wicker storage baskets. Wooden baskets are a stylish and useful addition to any kitchen's decor. Utilize them to exhibit fruits and veggies, or even store blankets and firewood. Handmade wooden signs. Customize your environment with handcrafted wooden signs. Write sayings or statements that express your enjoyment of rustic design in the wintertime. Accents in copper. Incorporate copper details like light fixtures, mugs, and cutlery. The warm copper tones give the rustic appeal a hint of refinement. Authentic wooden shelves. If you want to showcase your favorite kitchenware, think about swapping out a few cabinet doors with rustic open shelves. It's a fantastic way to highlight your collection and give the space a light, airy atmosphere. Cozy candlelight. Add warm candlelight to the comfortable ambience. To produce a warm, inviting glow in your kitchen, use candles in vintage holders or lanterns. Pine cone garland. Make a garland out of pine cones and hang it over your kitchen countertops or cupboards. It's an easy do-it-yourself job that gives your room a rustic forest feel. Seasonal herb garden. Create a kitchen garden that reflects the seasons to bring the outside in. For a utilitarian and aesthetically pleasing look, use rustic planters on your windowsill. Patchwork quilts as wall art. Use patchwork quilts to create one-of-a-kind wall hangings. Place them thoughtfully to give your kitchen's walls some coziness and nostalgia. Burlap table runner. Use a burlap table runner to spruce up your dining room table. It gives a comfortable touch to your meals and goes well with the rustic style because to its earthy texture and neutral colors. Antique kitchenware exhibition. Excavate those antique kitchenware items and arrange them on exposed shelves. It recounts the tale of enduring culinary customs while also adding character. Cozy breakfast nook. Incorporate a rustic table and add cozy cushions to your chairs to create a cozy breakfast nook. It's the ideal place to sip coffee and take in the atmosphere of winter. I hope you were inspired to create your own comfortable retreat. Please remember to hit the notification bell to remain updated, subscribe for more material, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay warm and imaginative.